Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how to fix problem you see could not connect to the server on your Mac. So if you just open App Store and just want to find some app and download it. So how I can also fix it. So first thing, just check your internet connection. So just tap on Wi-Fi network, just choose here, just try to turn it off and turn on again. If it doesn't help you, just try to restore your computer. So just tap on restore and just submit restoring your computer. And after you restore your computer and you open it and you still see this error, so how you can also fix it, you can also just check updates for your system. So just go to tap on Apple logo, just choose about this Mac, and here just tap on software updates. And if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your system. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.